Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I teamed up with Unice and we are definitely beginning our summer little collection of wigs, and this one here is first on the list. So this here is their 13x4 bye knots pre-everything lace wig. Now this one here has a beautiful water wave texture. She also includes that nice caramel brown color with the honey blonde highlights and a little bit more of a darker root just to keep it nice and easy to wear. This one comes with the bye knots wig tape pre-installed at each side. So if that's your jam, you literally can peel, stick, and the wig will fit you nice and glueless. And as you'll see in just a moment, this one definitely is an upgraded wig cap for that nice no slip. She has the medical silicone strips all throughout. In this one particularly, there are 3 strips right at the crown and then also from ear to ear around the back of the nape. And that technology is super nice because literally it's almost like a grip. It's magic. You literally put your wig on and, like, for example, the 3 strips right here will lock that wig in place where it'll sit right exactly where you install it and it will not slide back. I use the word install, but trust me, all you have to do is put it on and that is the install. And the icing on the cake is that it also includes the nice thin adjustable strap as well as the drawstring at the nape. So with all this security and technology and the combs, this one here is the perfect wig for the warmer months, especially because it's low maintenance with this water wave texture, and then it's a glueless fit so you literally can put her on and go. Now that definitely was a mouthful, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. Before we head in, I want to let you guys know that I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl in the description box. And without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Yeah. Ashley Bedeck. Yeah. Family love, we locked in. Yeah. Let's ride. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fall, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Wake up, grind mode, mama gotta move. Kids in the backseat, dancing to the groove. Who's been by my side, yeah, he never lose. We built this bond tight, something you cannot do. Big dreams, little feet running through the halls. Messy little rooms, but they're worth it all. Packed days, but I answer every call. Family over everything that's lost. Late nights, long rides, everybody fed. Blessings on blessings, I keep us ahead. Laughing in the kitchen till the tears get shed. Love so strong, it'll knock you dead. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with a bright eye. Hold it down, never fold, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Dance mom days, big bows on deck. Sports mom nights, whole crowd on flex. Running up miles, but I never feel stressed. Cause I do it for the fam, yeah, I know we blessed. Switch lanes quick when the schedule tight. Still show love when we kiss goodnight. Kiss on 10, but the vibe still right. Home full of joy, yeah, we shining bright. House loud, but the love stay louder. Heart strong, but the family make it prouder. This kind of bond got unshakable power. Every single day, yeah, we grow like flowers. Yeah, I feel the love surround me. Yeah, it's the thing that keep me grounded.
Late night, city light, with a bass in my heart, we gon' be alright. I've been dreaming bigger than the room I'm in. They see the smile but don't know where I've been. Young heart, heavy thoughts in my chest. Still moving forward, never settling. They said slow down, I said watch me go. Every step I take finding my flow. Had doubts in my head at nights, feeling low. But the vision too clear, I can't move too slow. Yeah, yeah. Hands in the air, feel the moment rise. We don't need much, just faith tonight. Every move sing to the flashing lights. If you feel this now, you're living life. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. For that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can't ignore that feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high. Let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. I remember days when they slept on me. Now they vibing out when I step on beat. Same kids, same goals, new energy. Turning moments into memories. Friends around me, yeah, the circle tight. Laughing through the stress, we allowed tonight. No fake love, just real ones here. Every single move feel crystal clear. Let the rhythm talk, let your worries fade. This the type of night we don't wanna waste. Every heartbeat line with the bass. If you feeling this now, you're in the right place. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can you know that feel? When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming
Kids running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. Movie is family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best.
It's the Lions crew in the house.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Diamonds on the game with the head set tight. Dropping buckets on the court, yeah, shots too nice. Dakota towards the living room, dancing on beat. Dominant jumps in with a happy little feet. 3 cool kids with their own big vibe. Laughing all day when they're side by side. The Lions kids, yeah, they shine so bright. Playing, dancing, laughing from morning to night.
Okay, love bugs, we are pretty much done with this look and I love it so much. This here is a beautiful wavy textured highlight wig. I went ahead and opened up the hairline just a little bit on the sides for a little bit of that wispy baby hair, and I love it because it's super wispy, so it's not like gelled down, and also the root being dark makes it like not to pop out or stand out as it would be if it had highlights in it, so I kind of like it like that. And I kind of did the opposite side so that it would be even, but you guys know when you have a side part, the baby hair kind of is like pointless. Now I love the texture on this one. It's not too defined, which typically, of course, you guys know I love a good curly wig, but for this one it's just easier to maintain when it's like a looser wave texture because it's easier to comb out. You know, those curls, those coils, the more curly and coily it gets, the more maintenance it is on a daily basis, especially if you sleep in your wig. So this one here is just a little bit easier to that mousse in and kind of like finger comb through. Again, I like all the wigs and all the textures, but this is just a little bit less maintenance. Before we head out, I do want to show you guys in a little unboxing. So as I mentioned, this one did come from Unice, and of course this is their signature color packaging. Inside we did get the little bag the wig came in, and this lets us know we're working with a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig in the length 24 inches. And then from there we also did get a pack of HD wig caps, and these are the Unice brand exclusive to Unice, as well as a sheet of the Bye Bye Nas wig tape. Now this is a lot of tape right here, so as you install yours, remove it once it gets old, replace it just out of this pack, and this again will last you a good while, so that's a really good. Also, we did get the melt belt, and I did use it in the video. Nice and thin to fit right perfectly over where your baby hair is and your hairline is for a good melt without doing too much. Okay, love bugs, before we head out, let's go ahead and check this one out styled in a cute little hairstyle.
Bedeck in the spotlight. Sun up, hair tied, moving on a mission. Kids yelling, Mom.
Okay, love bugs, so that is the look. Get a load of the texture. Again, super pretty and low maintenance. I'm going to have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.